Hi guys, it's me XJ0461 and I'm going to show you how to do the third secret mnemonic puzzle in the sector 4, yes. This one actually was the easiest one. I did this one like on my first try. Believe me, I did that on my first try. And it's like really easy. But I'm still showing you. Oops. And sorry again about the terrible camera quality, if you can understand it. I don't know why he didn't even set hello father to the simulation of the orbs. So you take for example blue guy and you're gonna be like really fast, but it's not that terrible. And go and quickly press the first bat or whatever. And go out and go to the second one. Okay, that should be enough. Now go here, stand on that, get out, freeze that. I've got 30 seconds. Step on this, get out. Step on this, get out, and then you get the gold bolt. Okay, so that was just all you needed. All the hard stuff you needed to do. So now go to the red guy and be fast because I wasn't standing much on that button. Okay, that wasn't hard. Take the shot back and now just wait until the blue guy opens the door for you. Whew, that was close. So you can see him. Be ready. Go in. Stop recording. Go to the next guy. Oops. The yellow one. Start recording. Now wait until he steps on another switch. Or switch, it's just red button. Okay, now. And now wait until he opens the door for you. Okay, get inside. Stop recording. And go to the last guy. And go the same way just as the yellow one. Okay. And this is the last cabin or chamber or whatever it is. And this guy is going as the last, so I gotta wait. Okay, go inside. And see, the door is open now. So now I'm going to get it as the blue guy. Whee.
Temporal recording initiated. A recorded entity has failed.
What? What has failed?
Temporal recording initiated.
What the heck? Why did he fell off? Just wait. I gotta re-over-record everything. Or no? Oh, why am I still standing there? Go inside. Okay. Okay. I don't know why he fell off. It was weird. Go inside. Okay, and now you've got the door open.
10 seconds.
So you did it.
Amazing! You really are quite good at this.
I'm telling you, this one is really easy. So yeah, those were all the free secret mnemonic puzzles in the Great Clock. So I hope I helped you a little if you're having trouble. What else should I say? My next video could be the Kraken time glitches. So yeah, that's it. I don't know why am I still recording. Regifter, yes, my new skill point. Wait, where is it? Flawless. Regifter. Destroy 2 enemies with 1 deflection. Haha, cool. I've got a new skill point. Okay, so that's it. See you guys.